Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to MRK Academy. Today we will learn about the Python language. A brief introduction about the Python, that what is Python, where we use the Python and how to install the Python in your PC or laptop and all. So first of all, the Python is a high level programming language with a focus on readability and simplicity. Means the Python language is a high level language and it is more readable, like you can easily read the code and understand the code because the code is so simple. It's a general purpose language, means every field can use the Python language, like you are in a computer science field, mathematics field, you are in a medical field, you are in an engineering field, or even you are in an arts field. Like for pattern design, you can also use the Python language. Now, what is mean by high level language? So actually a high level language is a user friendly language than low level language. Like in low level language, we only deal with the 0 and 1. Means that we can deal so hardly with 0 and 1. What does it mean by 0 and what is mean by 1? Like in low level language, we use only binary numbers in order to understand the language, while the high level language is a high English like syntax, like it can be more efficient and less error prone, means there is less error in a high level language. And the example includes Python, Java, C++, JavaScript and all. Got it? Now next, what is the history of Python? So actually the Python language was created by Guido van Rossum, and he released his first edition in 1991 at CWI, Centrum Wisconsin and Informatica at Netherlands. He has undergone several major releases, like look at the graph here. For the first we have 1.0 language Python versions, now 1.5, 1.6, and after that we have 2.0, and after that we have 2.7, 2.4, 3.1 and all. Nowadays we use 3.12 Python version in daily life. Now, why we use the Python language? Actually, there are a lot of features, but some of these features are included by me here, like simple and easy to learn. Like developer or students can easily learn the Python language. Platform independent means any platform, like any operating system you can use for Python language. Wanna use it Windows, wanna you use it operating system like Mac OS, Macintosh, Kali, Linux, Ubuntu, Fedora. On any platform it is accessible. Free and open source means you can easily download it and install it on your PC. Next we have interpreted, like in this we read the code line by line and generate the output. That's why the speed of the Python language is so fast. Like what is mean by interpreter and compiler, it's coming in the next slide. So actually it is an interpreted language. Like next we have rich library support. So actually if you are using it for medical field, we have separate library for the medical field. Like you are using it for mathematical field, so there is a special library for mathematical field. So round about 1,40,000 libraries are built in Python language so far. Embedded and extensible means you can import any code to Python and vice versa, like from C to Python, C++ to Python, JavaScript to Python, Java to Python. You can easily embed and extend the language to Python. Next we have portable, like you can easily import the code from one machine to other. You can easily port it through using USB or any other memory device. Next we have robust. So robust means it is error handling, memory management, no load of proper syntax, etc. It need only problem to solve. Like Python only need your problem. Like what problem I have to solve, give it to me. Next is my way to solve your problem. Got it? So these are the features which is related to Python. Beside this we have other features also. Now next, what's mean by compiler and interpreter? So it's simple. Like in compiler, first the compiler translates the entire source code of a program into a machine code before execution. Like we have, let's suppose 1 2 3 4 5 line of code. So if it is compiled by the compiler, so the compiler first translate the 5 line of code into machine code or source code, then it will give you the output. While interpreter, so interpreter translate and execute the source code line by line. Like we have the 5 lines or 4 lines, sorry, 1 2 3 4. So the interpreter translate the first line and give you the output here, and translate the second line and give you the output here, and translate the third line and give you the output here. So it's the difference between the compiler and interpreter. Like here you see that in a compiler the whole code is first transmit to the machine code, and after that it will gives you the output. While here it is line by line. Like here you can see that it is line by line, like you can see that. So it's the major difference between the interpreter and the compiler. Now next, where we use the Python. So actually we use the Python in web and applications development, like website development or application development or software development. You can use the Python language for these purposes. GUI based desktop application, like it is a graphical user interface base, like it gives you graphics, like high definition graphics, high HD graphics for your use. Graphic designing, we can also do it by using Python. Image processing, we can also use it by using Python. Games, scientific and computation applications, these all are done by using the Python language. Here we have AI, ML and neural networks like artificial intelligence. And artificial intelligence, the Python language is so must. While in machine learning, the Python language is so must. While in neural networks, you can also use the Python language. Data visualization. So in a data visualization, let's suppose I am giving you a data set to present this in a visual form, like in a pictorial form. So for that purpose, you use the data visualization, and the Python language is used by the data visualization for pictorial representation of the data. IoT based, like Internet of Things, like you are using microprocessor or any device which is runnable on Python, like Arduino, any cars which is automatic cars, so it is used by IoT also. Now next we have database development. So for the purpose of database development, you can also use the Python language. Now next we check how to install the Python language. So Python install many PCs and Macs will have the Python already installed. Nowadays lot of PC has already installed the Python, so no need to install the Python in that. To check if you have a Python installed on a Windows PC, let's suppose you are going to check whether my PC has the Python or not. So you should have to go to start bar and type the command like cmd and type here Python ---- version. So if it shows you the version, it's mean that your PC already have the Python language. Now, if you find that you do not have the Python installed on your computer, then you can download it for free from the following website. Click on the website and go to the website and download the Python language and install it. Got it? And in this website, you also check how to install the Python language. It will elaborate you the whole process. Now, let me show you. Here we have a start bar, type CMD, and you will find this. Now, like here you have, so in this you should have to type only one command, which is Python, got it, minus minus version. It will shows you which Python version is using by you. So this Python version 3.1.2.1 is used by me in my PC. So it's all about the introduction of the Python, and tomorrow we will learn about the installation of Python and also the IDE which is used by us in coming tutorial. Thank you very much for your time, and keep subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the latest notification of the new video. Thank you very much.